how to copy files from an external drive onto your Mac and vice versa. So I've already plugged in a drive. After you plug it in, on the top right corner you can see I have this icon. Now this icon has a particular name below this. Now this name can be customized by you, or it might already be given a name by someone else. Now let's say I have these files and then I want to copy them to a folder. Now I'm going to open up a folder. Now this is the destination folder and this is where it's going to get started from. Let's think of it like that. Now you can select a particular file and then press Command plus C, or you can also right click on the file and select copy over here and then press Command plus V or paste item over here after right clicking on it. So you can see this file has now copied. If you want to copy multiple files, you can do that as well. For that, you can press and hold down Command and select whatever files you want. If you want to copy all the files, you can press Command plus A and it's going to select all the files. Press Command plus C and then Command plus V to paste them all over here. And here you can see all the files have now been copied. But what if you want to do the opposite? If you want to copy some files onto the external drive from your MacBook, so you can do that as well. For example, I have a small screenshot over here. I can just drag it and drop it over here. By the way, you can do that to copy files from the external drive onto your Mac as well. You just drag and drop it, or I can also follow the same process. Press and hold Command and then select these two files and then I can copy it. There you go. The files have been copied. Hopefully this video has been helpful. It's very easy. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments and make sure to subscribe.